Remember that we are currently trading at our highest level of oversold since our spring rebound. The SP oscillator is that. David, I believe that since this is you, we should examine Tesla closely. Yesterday, we received Bernstein notes stating that the figures would not be met. The stock continues to rise despite Deutsche Bank's stats saying they can't make them. What does that indicate? It could imply that some of the high multiple, higher growth equities could be able to attempt to take a position. Tonight is Macy's night. Paychecks are coming in evening. Oshkosh as well. And in the field of electric mobility, I'm not going to be as pessimistic. Something exciting is always lurking around the corner. Today, we go deep into a mystery that has captured the attention of investors and fans alike. A prophecy that has been brewing for a while has now surfaced and has the potential to drastically change the trajectory of Tesla stock in a matter of weeks. Greetings from a world of mystery and financial disclosures. We'll also dissect Jim Cramer's mysterious assertions and investigate the veracity of his astonishing forecast that tsla stock will soar to $400 in only 2 months. Still, that's not all. We'll also analyze the Cybertruck's potential, talking about its weight, robustness, and revolutionary characteristics that have everyone waiting for answers. Is the Cybertruck genuinely on track to transform the electric vehicle market, or are there unspoken concerns that need to be addressed? Come along on this thrilling trip with us as we unravel Tesla's future and determine whether this is a chance too exciting to pass up. Please show your support by enjoying this video and subscribing to our channel before we go any further. Let's get this video started, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Renowned host Jim Cramer cast serious doubt on Tesla's much-awaited Cybertruck project on his well-liked Mad Money program. Cramer argues that the Cybertruck might not live up to Tesla's promotional claims based on the analysis that was presented. With all the buzz around the Cybertruck, it's important to ask whether Tesla can sell even 50,000 of the 200,000 units that are expected to be sold. This raises questions about the vehicle's continued viability. As news regarding the Cybertruck keeps coming in, including the fact that November 30th of this year is the anticipated delivery date, notice is being called to the terms and conditions associated with owning this cutting-edge car. Customers are subject to severe restrictions from Tesla, according to rumors. Among these limitations is the inability to sell the car within a year without formal written authorization from Tesla. Without this consent, buyers who try to resell the Cybertruck to unaffiliated parties risk a significant $50,000 lawsuit from Tesla. With its features geared towards drivers, Tesla's Cybertruck is another groundbreaking invention that promises to revolutionize the auto industry. Experts predict that Tesla will have a major competitive edge because of these qualities. A different opinion is presented by Jim Cramer, who claims that the Cybertruck can only carry 500 pounds. He doubts the exoskeleton's endurance, wonders if it will sell as many as expected, and even questions if it qualifies as a car or a truck. However, why does Jim Cramer have this opinion, and should Tesla investors listen to what he has to say about the Cybertruck? As we learn more about the topic, it becomes evident that the Cybertruck is not as suitable for urban settings as smaller cars and has a high price tag of $100,000. Concerns also center on how long the truck will last and how popular it would be outside of certain cities. With a focus mostly on coast-dwelling electric car aficionados, Tesla's Cybertruck production ramp-up appears to be sluggish, with full production not expected until well into 2025. In areas outside of cities, the vehicle may not displace conventional pickups like the Chevy Silverado or F-150 due to its price range, design, and intended function. Elon Musk freely admits that implementing the Cybertruck production plan will be extremely difficult for Tesla. Despite his prominence, Jim Cramer's track record for making accurate financial forecasts is not entirely flawless. His remarks frequently reflect the mood of the market, and some investors even use his predictions as fodder in an inverse Cramer strategy. Interestingly, Elon Musk even responded to Cramer's remarks with a hint of humor, suggesting that Tesla has already benefited from the inverse Cramer theory. Thus, as this narrative develops, it's critical to consider all of the available information and keep an eye on how the Tesla Cybertruck will fare in the changing car market. Additionally, Jim Cramer created quite a stir recently when he offered a scathing assessment of Tesla's much-awaited Cybertruck. Three main claims form the basis of Cramer's evaluation, all of which pose important doubts regarding the future of this revolutionary electric car. Let's investigate Cramer's assertions in more detail and evaluate each one separately. First, Cramer makes a claim about the cargo capacity of the Cybertruck and makes a negative comparison to the Ford Maverick, which has a payload capacity believed to be about 1,500 pounds. For customers that depend on pickup trucks for labor-intensive tasks or the transportation of large objects, the payload capacity of the vehicle is an important consideration. Marketed as a flexible workhorse, the Cybertruck may lose some of its attraction to certain customer segments if it is unable to carry as much cargo as a competitor such as the Maverick. It's important to keep in mind that payload capacity varies throughout Cybertruck configurations, thus Cramer's claim might be dependent on particular trim levels and accessories. Furthermore, Tesla has a track record of improving its cars over time, so payload issues might be resolved in later Cybertruck versions. In his second argument, Cramer casts doubt on the Cybertruck's resilience. Any vehicle must be able to withstand adversity and rough terrain, but pickup trucks especially need to be able to. Adoption of the Cybertruck in areas and industries where sturdy vehicles are necessary may face significant obstacles if it does not possess the durability typically associated with a pickup truck. Given Tesla's reputation for technological innovation and invention, it's possible that the business may use cutting-edge engineering and materials to address any durability issues. Cramer's claim, however, emphasizes the significance of thorough testing and validation to guarantee that the Cybertruck satisfies the durability requirements anticipated of a vehicle of this kind. Lastly, concerns over the Cybertruck's affordability and market demand are raised by Cramer's assertion that it will retail for $100,000 and that Elon Musk might find it difficult to sell 50,000 of the 200,000 units anticipated. The Cybertruck's $100,000 price tag puts it in the luxury range, which would prevent it from being accessible to a wider range of people. Should Musk's sales forecasts considerably underperform, Tesla's revenue objectives and market perception may be impacted. It is important to keep in mind that when production ramps up and market conditions shift, pricing and sales predictions may also alter. Although Tesla has a devoted following and a history of releasing cars that pique people's curiosity, the Cybertruck's performance will be influenced by a number of variables, such as consumer preferences, market competition, and general economic conditions. The questions regarding the Cybertruck, which is eagerly anticipated, are legitimate in light of Jim Cramer's assertions regarding its payload capacity, durability, cost, and sales estimates. The final result will depend on Tesla's capacity to resolve these issues, adjust to market conditions, and provide a product that fulfills the expectations of both businesses and customers, even though Cramer's observations offer insightful viewpoints. As things change, it's critical to keep an eye on the developing. Background information on the Tesla Cybertruck. Elon Musk has shed light on one of the main features of this eagerly awaited electric vehicle by sharing some information on the weight requirements of the various Cybertruck trim levels. Musk stated that the heavier trim should weigh about 7,000 pounds, while the lighter trim should weigh about 6,000 pounds. However, he did not provide the exact weight estimates. These figures provide us with an approximate idea of the Cybertruck's possible payload capacity, which may vary from 500 to 6,000 pounds, even though they are not verified. This evidence suggests that the Cybertruck can manage large loads, which is an important consideration for potential purchasers. The Cybertruck's capability to tow is one of its best characteristics. According to Musk, it will be able to tow more than most regular pickup trucks, which makes it a fantastic option for people who need to haul or tow things. Its adaptability for a range of personal and business use cases is highlighted by the anticipated smooth and pleasant ride for both drivers and passengers. Over Jim Cramer's worries over the exoskeleton and metal durability of the Cybertruck, there's a strong conviction that these worries could not be totally true. The Cybertruck is characterized by a stainless steel exoskeleton that protects it from corrosion and scrapes, while also giving it a futuristic look. In addition, the use of bulletproof glass confers an additional degree of robustness and durability, rendering it appropriate. It offers a compelling blend of power, performance, and efficiency while meeting the majority of consumers' daily driving needs. These qualities position the product to appeal to a broad spectrum of consumers looking for a dependable and environmentally friendly form of transportation. Regarding cost and demand, the figures seem to say it all. In just 1 week after its debut, Tesla claimed to have received over 250,000 bookings for the Cybertruck. Despite difficult times like the epidemic, reports suggest that Tesla continued to get hundreds of Cybertruck reservations per week even after the first flurry. Beyond its practical qualities, the Cybertruck's allure lies in its 17-inch touchscreen, which provides convenience, safety, and entertainment. Its customizable user interface grants access to a plethora of options, including full self-driving capabilities. Experts estimate that compared to traditional cars, the Cybertruck will require less fuel and maintenance. It does away with the requirement for petrol refills and oil changes. Its enduring quality and functionality should also guarantee a higher resale value, increasing its appeal to prospective purchasers. Since the Cybertruck runs entirely on electricity, it does not require the regular maintenance that internal combustion engine vehicles do. There are no spark plugs to change, no exhaust systems to maintain, and no engine oil to change. Over time, this results in considerable cost savings. Reduced number of moving parts. The Cybertruck and other electric vehicles have drivetrains with fewer moving parts than those of internal combustion engine vehicles. Because of the decreased wear and tear, there are fewer malfunctions and expensive repairs to be made. Regenerative braking. Regenerative braking systems help prolong the life of brake parts and are frequently found in electric automobiles. Brake pad and rotor wear is decreased by using the energy recovered while braking to replenish the battery. No expenditures for petrol. The Cybertruck only uses electricity for propulsion, which is usually less expensive than petrol. Owners can benefit from cheaper electricity costs and steer clear of the fluctuations in petrol prices. Charging at home. The ability to conveniently charge their cars at home will be available to many Cybertruck owners, significantly minimizing the need for and expense of frequent fuel stops. It's critical to acknowledge that these elements support the value proposition of the Cybertruck. Even while the initial cost of purchasing might be more than for certain conventional vehicles, buyers may find it to be a more affordable option because to the long-term fuel and maintenance savings, as well as the good resale value. Furthermore, these cost benefits should only get stronger as electric vehicle technology develops, making the Cybertruck even more appealing to a wider spectrum of customers and companies. Although Jim Cramer's recent remarks regarding the Cybertruck have sparked debate, a wealth of data points to the electric pickup's potential success. With its distinct characteristics, high demand, and possible financial advantages, the Cybertruck could revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. The Cybertruck is expected to take the industry by storm thanks to Tesla's ingenuity and the positive feedback from consumers and enthusiasts, solidifying Tesla's position as a market leader and inventor for electric vehicles. Even if opinions vary, it's evident that Tesla and its customers stand to gain a great deal from the Cybertruck. That concludes today's video, gentlemen. Given its remarkable towing capability, robustness, and range, the Cybertruck appears to have a bright future ahead of it as an electric car competitor. Though there are conflicting views, Tesla and its devoted following have a bright future because to the revolutionary features and enormous demand. Now we would adore hearing from you. What do you think of Jim Cramer's remarks and the possibilities of the Cybertruck? Do you think it will significantly alter the course of events for Tesla and the electric car market? Please share your thoughts in the section below. Remember to subscribe to Tesla Stock News and like this video for more fascinating updates and in-depth analysis, as well as to remain up to date on the newest happenings in the world of Tesla and electric vehicles. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the upcoming video. Tell me if you require any other changes.